Okay, now this is our USDJPY we'll be looking at for the day. We are going to start with our daily time frames down to our 4-hour time frame to our 1-hour time frame. So if you are new, click on the subscribe button, like and share. We all can see our daily time frame on our USDJPY. It is actually an uptrend move. One. Secondly, this line you all can see here is our 10 period moving average, and so we all can see that our price is above our 10 period moving average. That is true. So that is an indication that on our daily time frame we are to look for a way to actually take a buy on our USDJPY. So for some days, possibly 2 3 4 days, that if you are a swing trader, we use the daily time frame, so and we trade on the daily time frame. So for swing traders, we should be looking for a buy. Now let's come to this our USDJPY. This is our daily time frame. We all can see when our price actually pushes up, we also this retracement level here, and once we add this retracement level here, we saw that our price touched our 10 period moving average. We all know our trend, especially when our trend is possibly when we are on an uptrend move and we are having a retracement level. Once the retracement touches our 10 period moving average, we tend to see a rise on that our uptrend move, and it is exactly what we got on our USDJPY. I also did analysis on it. You can also go back where we predicted that our USDJPY will actually come out to hit this our highs here, and very much our prediction was correct. We also predicted this move that our price will move up, and guess what? We had about 100 plus pips move, 100 plus pips move on our USDJPY for the day. So daily time frame, actually an uptrend move. 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame, we all can see that we are still expecting a very rally bullish move, by the way. So this was actually a price where our price broke out from on our daily time frame. Sits here. This was actually our highs here. Once we price pushes up, we had a retracement at this level here, and our price broke out from it. We can see it on our 4-hour time frame here. See it, by the way. Our price actually came to this level, then we had a retracement here, and now our price has broken above it. So I still believe I personally still believe our price will come to test this area where our price broke out from. So that is exactly what I am seeing. That is possibly my apple. Our price going to test this our area, then we continue rolling up on our USDJPY. So basically it depends on when you are watching it. Could it be before the London section? Could it be in the London section or in the New York section? Possibly our price could have rallied and go up. So full trend, what we are expecting is that on this our daily time frame, we would want our price to take out this our highs at least 139.400. I personally would want to see that our price take out this our highs, liquidity highs here, this huge candlestick wick we all can see here. We would want our price to take it out, which will be around 139.440. So till then, I still believe we are on an uptrend on our daily time frame. So we would want to see our price move on. I think that should be about, I think it should be close to 100 pips. That should be about 70 pips. I think we still have 70 pips for our price to roll up and possibly break above and continue to push up. I still believe it. Our price will break above it and continue to push up. But before that, see it on our 4-hour time frame. We would be expecting our price to roll down to test this area our price broke out from, then a continuous bullish move again on our USDJPY. So see, my price comes to test this area, then I'll be waiting until it comes to test this area it broke out from, then I'll be taking the buy up on our USDJPY. Lastly, on our 4-hour time frame, basically if you are to sit on our 1-hour time frame, I think we are now on a downward trend, a impulse move downward, a correction. Sooner or later we start having another impulse move down. So I think that is a confirmation our price on our 1-hour time frame would actually be rolling down to take out this our previous resistance level before we see a rally bullish move on our USDJPY. So that is basically the analysis for the day. So 30 of August, we would want to see our price rally down a little bit, then a rally up on our USD JPY.